Teleportation is a very broad but seemingly obvious and fake fantasy, yet I thought tackling it would be quite entertaining. And then I found out that there's quantum physics involved, and I was like, oh yes, sign me up! Now, we're used to Sir Isaac Newton's perception of physics, but it is a small section of the rules that actually govern the behavior of our universe. There is also relativity, which tells us how space-time interacts with moving objects, but there is also quantum behavior. This is actually quite a confusing thing, but what it basically does is help us understand the possibility or impossibility of teleportation, due to a thing called quantum entanglement. An easy way to explain this is when two particles interact with each other in a certain way, they will become linked, and whatever happens to one of them instantly changes the other. The trick in this is that distance does not affect this in the slightest. This is a real thing in our world, which is having tests run on it to prove it with objects as big as grains of sand over the distance of 10 miles. Essentially, what these scientists are making are real-life Star Trek transporters. So how does this transportation happen? The molecular structure of an object being transported is analyzed by a quantum computer and is stored essentially anywhere in the universe, and when a signal is sent with the appropriate number of atoms needed to reassemble the object, the matter needed is entangled and assembled together. Now, it hasn't been done with human beings or living tissue yet, but let's say we can do so. So what would happen? It would die. This is because, according to the no-cloning theorem, it is impossible to create a copy of a quantum state without completely destroying the original piece by piece. What is actually happening is you are essentially making a copy B of yourself to which your string of mind from your previous self continues. So to summarize, teleportation is technically possible. You can transport all of your atoms light years away in no time, but killing yourself in the process is quite a likely side effect.